What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here, and on this channel, we just learn as we go. Everything we do here is DIY, and this is going to be no different. We are going to be doing the shutters on my house instead of paying someone $2,000 to do them for me. So, I want to teach you guys how to do it. I'm going to learn as I go. Let me know if I make any mistakes. We'll learn along together. Big shout out to my dad for helping me out with this. If you guys are inspired by this, hopefully you guys will try to do this stuff yourself. Let me know how you do, but make sure you guys subscribe down below. Smash that like button, ring that bell for post notifications. Thank you guys for being here. Let me know, how did the house come out with these brand new blue shutters? Hey guys, today's going to be a little bit different. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing the shutters on the house. So you can see here that this one actually came out already, and the shutter broke on the other side of the house as well. I'll give you guys a shot at that as well. So we're going to be changing the color from maroon to a nice navy blue, and we're going to make the house look a little bit nicer than it does right now. So we're going to be doing a step-by-step process of how to remove these and how to install the new ones, and we'll learn along together. And there's a shot of the other one that broke off, so we gotta just get them all off, and it's about time to get these changed out. So here's a look at the shutters that we're going to be putting on there. A look at the shutters that are on there currently. Get the nice blue look, and also what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing the gable vents above the garage, and also all the way up there as well. I got Papa Salvage Guy here today to help along with this and hold the ladder so that we are safe while we're doing this. Give you guys a quick look at how to do this. Now there's two ways. The wrong way would be to use like pliers and basically just pull out, but we are replacing these and you don't want to damage the structure of the house or anything, so we're just going to be cutting them off, and it should be pretty simple. So you just get in here, that's really it. That's it. That's how you remove a shutter. So I'm not going to belabor this. We're just going to keep doing that, and we'll get back onto it when we actually put the new ones back on. So we're going to remove all these right now. So a couple options with this as well. We're not going to be using the same holes that we had here originally, and what we're going to be doing is basically just putting in new holes. So you can tell that these shutters were already replaced once. They put new holes in here, and what they did was they actually kept the studs drilled into here so that no water or anything can kind of leak in there. So we're going to do the same thing. We are going to just cut these off at the base, like so, and then we will drill our new holes based off of how these shutters actually line up. So use the window as a guide. We got these ones all set up. They look pretty good, and I like the look of it. I think it'll change the house color and make it look pretty nice.
Yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So we'll drill in and we'll get these things mounted up. So this is the way the house looks currently. I should have got a shot earlier, but we'll give a shot when we're all done. And that way you guys can see the before and after of the maroon shutters with the caps versus the white caps and the blue shutters. So we got the gable vent here, going with a nice white look, and that will replace the top ones. So we just have to figure out how to mount these. So the tools required to do this are standard drill, a 1/4 inch drill bit, some electrical tape, some snips, and a ladder or step stool of your choice in order to get up to where you need to get to. And lastly, we need a tape measure. We also need a hammer. We use rubber mallet so that we don't damage any of the surfaces. So the directions say we need to have a 1/4 inch drill bit, 3.5 inches. So we're going to take 3 1/4 there, and we are going to mark it with a piece of tape. So we know that when we get to the bottom of the tape here that we are good, because we don't want to go in there too deep. So to mount our shutters, we're going to line it up at the bottom, and very simply we're just going to drill holes where we think that they should be. So with the bottom one, you want to go to the bottom rung here and make sure that we are lined up. That way we have a marking point on both sides. So we got it all mounted up, looks good. Drilled the 6 holes in, hammered in with the rubber mallet, and voila. Alright guys, we got the shutters completely done. Everything turned out to be really, really nice. It's looking good. I like the blue, way better than the red. And we got those gable caps done up there as well. Those things I didn't really get an opportunity to show because they're so high up, but they're really simple to change. They have a ratchet system. Basically, you just pull on the sides, it comes out. As you put it in, you just push it in and it's good. So those things are really simple, nothing to really worry too much about, but shutters look really well. The only thing we have left to do is we're going to change out the door eventually, and we'll have that all white, or maybe we'll do blue. But house looks pretty good. We DIY'd it. Shutters cost about $500. Spent about $400 on a ladder, and to get a quote on it was probably about $1,000 to have someone else do. So basically, I got a ladder for free out of this whole thing. So big thank you to my dad for helping me out, and hopefully you guys will be inspired by this and just try to do something like this yourself. You guys can DIY it. It's not too bad.